working on the Subaru some more. And I've done, let's go to the other side so there's no shadows. Last video I'd done the front calipers and pads and front wheel bearings. Rear wheel bearings were done a couple years ago. I got the proper 10.7 some odd inch rotors compared to the 11.4 inch ones that were on there. So my fancy calipers fit and new pads, and we drove it. My wife had a doctor visit 60 miles away, drove it. Got, dream meter said 24.9 miles per gallon. Fuel tank mass says 23.78, which is the best we've gotten in years on this car. So brakes are better, but while we're at the store, locked the car, and I was walking around it, make sure it was locked. I hit the back door handle and it opened right up. I get home and look, and turns out there's a thing. The black with the silver band. That's part of your door lock. This wire was busted. And the green with yellow band, it was also busted. You can see I got one of these things on there using my heat gun. And I just fixed it. I just tested it, and now it works. And that was one of those, I wasn't planning on doing a video here because I'm just trying to make the car work. But I didn't know this was a thing with these cars. The right-hand side, the driver's side, I'm not sure what those wires are. I think the hose goes through there for the rear washer. And I'm not, everything online, the black with silver band wire is the lock wire. I'm not sure what the green with yellow stripe and silver band wire is. But the lights work, wiper works, and the lock locks the car. So I'm not worried about someone stealing stuff or whatever anymore. Just a little PSA about Subaru, and yes, I cut. These things just pull out. I cut this, and I'm gonna come back with some cloth tape, not electrical tape. This is cloth, German car, the old BMW stuff. Wrap everything in that, and then put this back on, just to keep it somewhat waterproof and keep any noises from out of there. But yes, if you're locked, check your tailgate. If it's not locked, when the car's locked, pull this up, and I'll imagine you'll find the black and silver band wire is broken.